Greetings and salutations. Welcome to my server cloud. This is a new episode. Today we're going to talk about Tianji. It is a website analytics all-in-one application that you can run in Docker. Again, website analytics, uptime monitor, server status, and a lot more. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install on Docker using Portainer. We already got the the code itself already in the stack. Again, you can find this code on my GitHub. Again, all the information in the description below. It's quite simple to install once you just modify a few things here, for your liking. And all you got to do is just to deploy the stack. Okay. The first time when you start, let me go back on here. The default account login and password is admin and admin. Again, here you can find all the information that you require, just in case you don't want to get on my GitHub. Again, if you press on GitHub, it should take you here. All right, well, you can find the code somewhere. Again, we can actually go to Docker Compose YAML, right? And here you can actually find all the information you need. Again, it's up to you. You can go to my GitHub, or you can go on this page on GitHub here. It's up to you. So the way I do it, I'm going to stack. I'm going to add a new stack, add the name of the stack, and copy and paste the content that you're gonna copy from the GitHub page here, and there we got it here. Once that's been done and you deploy it, if we go to, for example, dashboard containers, as you can see, it is already been installed. You click on the ports number, and of course I'm already logged in. The first time is going to be login and password. Let me get out of here, for example. Is this one here? I don't remember how you log out here. Well, let's see if I get logged out. Nope. To be honest, guys, I don't know how you log out from here. There we go. So you go to profile and then you log out. Okay, so let's go log out. There we go. So that's what you get once you install it. That's how you get. All right, and all you got to do is admin and admin. Change your password. Okay, no, now again, profile, and you change the password here. Make sure you type admin and your new password. I'm going to leave it as this is just a demo. Now we find how to add your websites. I'm going to go to monitors, for example. As you can see, some of them already been up and running. I'm going to add, again, you can choose port, DNS, HTTP, OpenAI, and also custom. All right, so I usually use like to use ping, for example. Here I've been using a port, TCP proxy manager. I'm using ping. Again, Proxmox, a different type of Proxmox. All right, one is the port and one is the IP. Okay, on websites you can actually add the website with a plus, the name, and the actual domain name. All right, you can actually add that too. Here I got the IP, but again, you can actually use, if you want, the domain. Here you can actually add telemetries. Okay, again, here is the information just in case you want to track some ports, posts, or third-party website posts that you say you add a post into a forum or something. You can actually track it from here. Okay. Here you can actually add and create pages. All right, just create the title, a slide if you want to. I'm not sure, for example, if let's say test, and that doesn't do it. So let's do test, for example. And here you can actually add a group, or you can create groups. Next. And as you can see, we just created. Again, you got to monitor. You got to set a monitor here as well. All right. Again, here you can change the. I presume you can change the modality from dark to light. Again, here all the information you need to edit, just in case, and then you can save or cancel. Here you can create surveys, and here you can add feeds. Okay, that's as simple as that. We usually use for website and monitoring, or monitoring the actual server itself. To add a server, you just copy you can do it manually, automatically. You can install, uninstall, and restart if you wanted to. So to install it, you just go on install, copy the clipboard. Let's go to, for example, we want to go to Proxmox. Let's say we want to put it on DNS. And what you got to do is just paste it here and just run it. Simple as. I already got it running, really. I don't want to uninstall it, so I'm going to remove that. I'm not using this one on a different type of installation. So that's how simple it is. Very simple to use it. The worst come to worst, if you get any issue, let's go back here. You can do it manually, all right? And you can actually run it, this one here. Press that, and then you can go to the next step, and waiting for the report back, for example, all right? Then when you finish, just press continue, and it will add automatically. So anyway, as simple as that. And let's go back to the monitoring. And as you can see here, you can get all the information. You can stop, you can edit. At the moment is every 120. You can change to 60 if you want, 60 seconds. And it automatically tells you if there is a problem. If I go to DNS, for example, and I'm going to let's say I'm going to shut down this one here. Now the DNS, after so many seconds, I think we edit to 60. Yeah, after 60 seconds it should give us an error. All right, so let's wait. As you can see, it says is down. Let's go back to DNS. Let's start. And it's starting, as you can see here. We go back to the monitoring, and the next line should be green, or maybe redder than green again. But again, it should be up and running again, and the monitoring should be up technically, right? So as simple as that. So wait about a few seconds and see how it goes. It is 60 seconds, so. But as you can see, anyway, it's up again. So yeah. So anyway, this is the way it works. It's very simple to install it, guys. And anyway, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time when I make a new video. Have a nice day.